What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Missed a video yesterday, my bad you guys. But yeah, Santa Clarita clearance store. Man, that heat wall been nuts. Man, let's go see if they got anything on the heat card, dude. Did I call it heat wall? Heat card? I don't know, whatever. Let's go see what they got. This store, it's all been about that heat cart. Man, be able to get stuff for hella cheap. Remember, no sneakers here for over $100. So yeah, you can find some steals and steals, man. Of course, the first thing you have to do, have to check out the heat wall. Dude got some creeper cam action going on. Got some, what's that, the Be True Cortez right there. Couple of, what are those, the Vapor Max on the bottom. I don't know exactly what size. Some sort of Air Force One too. So pretty much nothing too crazy. But still bargains for under $100 though. Starting with the size 10, 10 and a half. But yeah, this is a 10 and a half. But the Point Lane's going for $70. That's a really good price. I'm gonna try to show you guys stuff that we haven't seen too much. The Huarache's going for 60. The Overbreak's going for 70. Here, how comfortable these are. USC Pegasus right here, size 10, go for 60. That's pretty fire. Dude got a bunch of those. I see quite a few. Nike by Lisa. These are some Pegasus Fly E's. These are going for 60. Tempo Next Percent. Oh man, these are going for freaking $100. We've seen so many different colorways. This was a fire colorway too. Oh, I forgot to mention, $100 for those. Cleveland Browns Pegasus right here. Okay, these are going for $60 though. That's size 10. I think someone recently said, hey, can you show more size 10 and a halves in the comment section? I'm like, really, bro? Like, are you new to my channel? Like, 10 and a half is my size. I usually show a ton. Well, it just depends on what they got, you know? They got the LeBron 19s right here, go for 100. I think I forgot to mention size 9 and a half now, because it's just not too crazy today. You got some SFB carbon lows. Okay. Never seen this before. $70 for those. More LeBrons go for $100. Down to the size 9s. You got some Blazer mids going for $40. Defy All Days going for $30. Blazer low Pro GTs going for $40. It's like canvas. Oh, it's like the Grant Taylors. That's why. Okay, it's canvas. Does have some suede on it. $40. Got some Air Force Ones. Never seen these. Oh, there's some canvas Air Force Ones. Okay, got these. What these going for? $50. That's a size. Oh, that's a women's 10, so size 8.5 in men's. Golf cleats. Always got plenty of golf cleats. Size 9. 60 for those. 80 for those. I see more of these Go Flies. This is a size 8. Haven't seen these in the big sizes, man, because I probably would get one of the bigger ones for family members. 60 for those. Air Max 95 going for $80. Okay. More Tempo Next Percent going for 100. I don't think I've seen these boots here. Have I? The black ones, the SFB Field 2 8-inch going for $80. It's an 8.5. We've seen plenty of those camo ones, but haven't seen this color going for $80. Moving up to the size 11. More LeBrons going for $100. Size 11. He got those Prestos, those University Blue Prestos. He found a size 11 of those. Those are hella cheap. Like, I think, what, $70, $80 for those? That's a freaking bargain. Got Blazers here. Look, some decent leather. Got suede on top. $50. Oh, that's a size 10 and a half. Oh, okay. Wrong section. Oh, that's even better. These are going for $60. Wow. That's a freaking bargain. That's the dopest thing so far. We're on the size 12s now. 11 and a half. I don't know why that's here, but $70 for the Air Max 2090s. Plenty of Genomes going for $80. Some Kyrie Fly Traps. What these going for? $40 for those. That's hella good price. The Zoom Pulse. Maybe these are finally going down in price here. $30 for those. $29.99. Sprinting cleats. If you guys need sprinting cleats. Spike flats apparently go for $30. Size 13. Got some super colorful Air Force Ones. Does have suede on it. Suede rough as hell. $70 for those. Series ES all white ones going for $40. I feel like that should be the original price on these. Got some baseball cleats. Huarache Elite 3s going for $30. Size 14. Got the Free Run Trails going for $60 with a nice soft suede. Vaporfly Next Percents. Size 14, go for 100 bucks. Pretty bright. Zoom Fly, go for 80. And of course, got plenty of basketball sneakers. You know, 60. This one's go for 25. Holy crap, $25 for these. Like, get all that extra dust on it. 15. Seems like we have some new markdowns. Go for 15 bucks and baseball cleats. Seems like if stuff's been sitting, they're just marked down big time. 15 bucks for those. Still in the size 50. These are 15 and a half, down to $15. Seems like 15 and above, they've just clearance the hell out of everything. $40 for the Zoom Fly 4s. $20 for these Jesus cleats or Jesus sandals. Monarchs go for 20. These are all size 15. Size 17, these are down to $7. $7 for, man, that's crazy. Size 17 and a half, go for $7. These also $7. Size 7 Kyrie, $7. Oh my goodness. Only in the humongous sizes though. Got a bunch of stuff going for $7. Checking up on those bad boys right there. They got some dunks. Look, they got dunk, doing some super creeper action. And yeah, what are those dunks going for? I think they're going for what? 50 bucks? So those dunks go for 50 bucks. You see the sizes 7.5, size 9. Those LeBrons, I think those are down to 50. They're refilling. Someone just got some fire red 3s, size 8. That means it's 100 bucks. Oh my goodness, they're filling more and more. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just waiting in line just to see what they got, but they have a ton of those dunks that I showed you guys, and then damn, that was getting fire red 3s for freaking 100 bucks, size 8. Wow. I think they finalized everything. Do got the Jordan 1 low, the court purples right there. They got those right there. That means those for what, 80 bucks? Man, the Jordan, they got the Jordan 36s up top. I think that's a size 10 or 11. That's usually $80. All right, so those Jordan 36s, those are size 13 right there. Then they also had some of the Chinese New Year ones or something with the firecracker or something on the very bottom. I didn't see what size those were, but yeah, missed those fire red 3s. I definitely missed them. Is she bringing up more heat right there? Is she bringing up more? I just got out of line because I didn't get anything. Dang it! Do I need to get back in line? God dang it! All right, I didn't see them. I didn't see any Jordan boxes. I don't think I did. So, all right, let's continue to look around. All right, let's talk about what I'm wearing. Airspan 2s. Another Nike outlet purchase. I think I got these for $30 or something. Love the OG look to them. Pretty comfortable, you know. It's still hot, man. What the hell? This don't make no sense. So yeah, shorts and a tank top. Okay. Told you guys it's always worth trying to find some jerseys here. They do have some Oregon, I almost said Oregon State. Oregon jerseys, Fighting Ducks, $30. $30. Do got these plenty of different sizes. These are normally what, 110 or something. We saw those in the XL. This is a large right here. Also got them in small, mediums, pretty much every size. They're clearancing the hell out of these hoodies. $25 for these hoodies, normally $65. This is larges. Got these are mediums. That's the Crater midsoles material right there. $25 for those. Those are mediums, smalls. Then mediums of these are going for 25 bucks as well. Pretty decent pricing. This hoodie right here, super thin, $25. One of the thinner hoodies. Okay, this is a USC one. Yes, also have USC one, $30 for these. Not too bad. These are all mediums. All right, I think this is gonna be a shorter vlog. I'm trying to come here super frequently, so it is what it is. We'll be back. Didn't catch anything in the heat wall. All right, let's go. We're out. All right, last time I came, they had 0 sales. If it's the same, man, we in and out, but they do have some sales. We're gonna look around, see what they got. All right, we do have 20% off. There we go. 20% off is back. We'll look around and might go somewhere else. I don't know. Let's see. I was so concentrating on whether they have a sale or not. I forgot to check the heat wall. Okay. Do got a ton of these, man. Georgetown 6s, got a bunch of these. Size 9. This is a size what, 9.5. I thought this would look way bigger, and even a cool. Oh, that's a size 9. What the hell? Why does that one look so much bigger? Oh no. Okay, got a few of those. Got some lows right here. Some 6 youth right there. Do got a couple of the PSG 105 lows, a size 9, and there's another size. No, what the hell? But no discounts on any of these. Size 12. Dude got these bad boys right here. Dang, I didn't know it sticks out so much in the back. Is this? That's just for this one, right? The El Matador one. Okay, okay. And then the Lakers dunks. What are these? A size 8, size 7.5. Okay, okay. Retail though, no extra discounts. All right, back to the clearance section. Starting to see some sales. 140 for these. These came out for what? 185, 200. 140, you get an extra 20 off. So wow, that's hella cheap. Almost as cheap as the clearance store. Did see my size. I did pass on them. Yeah, these are fire. 7.5 Air Force One highs. Go for 105. Not bad, especially with the 20 off. Size 9. Did they? Air Force low one red. Huh? Is this different? That's different from the regular Air Force Ones, it looks like. Slightly different leather. Different box too, right? 120 for those. Size 8. Dude, this is like some really soft. Wow, that's some really soft. Is that suede or is that nubuck? I can't tell. 150 for these, size 8. 175 for these. We've seen these for hella cheap at some of the outlets. 130 for the Kyrie Infinities. 170 for the LeBrons. We've seen those cheaper at the outlets. I don't know about this colorway though. I haven't seen this colorway too many times. Size 9, 180 for these. Some Concords. Comfort 11 lows. Go for 120. This is size 10. AJKO size 10. With the AJKO wings logo right there. 130 for these. Do you get that 20X makes a really big difference, dude, really. Okay. Zoom Freak 3, size 9.5, go for $100. Comfort 11, 9.5, go for 120. Size 10 Air Force One Premiums, normally 150 down to 140. Okay. Air Max Plus 165 for these. Size 11. You got some LeBron 9 lows. 150. These are normally 190, so 150. Okay. Oh, is this the soccer collab with the soccer team right there? Okay, okay. You got some GTs, the Blazer Low GT Premium with the super soft leathers. $80 for these. That's a size 11. Blazers 105. Air Max 97s with that, looks like a metallic mesh material, but it's not. 185 for these with the OG box. Looks like the Jordan boxes. 185. 13 Kyrie Flytrap 5s go for $60. GTS right here go for 65, size 13. 14s, you got these right here go for 110, and then 15 you just got this right here, that's it. Zoom Flight 4s, $120, that's it. 30% off clearance apparel. Alright, $100 for these. There's a tech fleece right here. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Windbreaker, size medium, $50. Normally 80. Tech fleece jacket going for 100. Size large. Medium, or this is small. Got another one of these, 120. Hamburger Nike hoodie. I don't know what that's about. 25 for this one. This is a small. Got a couple of them. Medium. This is a pretty cool track jacket. $70. Okay. Another fleece jacket, $100 for this one. Pretty fire. More tech fleece, $100, size small. SB, double XL, going for 40. SB hoodie right here. More of these. This is an XL right here for the SB hoodie. And then even got them in large as well, all $40. All right, dude got these shirts right here, $25. 30% off though. I kind of like this shirt. This shirt's kind of dope. Especially if you're an OG collector, that's like perfect. Let all these fools know you're OG collector. You know, I can't really say I'm an OG collector like that though. You know, they got more hoodies, $45. They only have like, they only have smalls of those. They got the gray ones. They got multiple sizes, medium, large. 65 for those, normally 100. I'm still looking for a backpack for a kid. But yeah, they don't. No, man, those aren't really it, man. Those aren't it. Jordan shorts, 40% off. That's $50. These are hella thin though, man. Those of you guys that have watched plenty of my videos know my thoughts on the Nike and Jordan shorts. $25 for those, 40% off though. These hoodies still on sale, 30% off, $50 normally. I think normally $75 or something. The sneakers, kind of the same stuff that we've seen. Wait, I think they're getting more and more returns. Okay, these are freaking going for, dang, going for retail though, man. If they had like 20-30% off, I think a lot of people would be on these. Same with these, 12s, 13s. I think these, like, they've had them on Nike.com on sale. I talked about it on my Instagram, so hopefully you guys are following me on my Instagram, because I did share that in my shorts. A lot of people have been copping these as well. Be able to get 20-30% off, that's freaking fire. Especially online too, so you don't have to fight the crowds and, you know, hope to get one. I got 6s, and got all these as well. Okay. And then the elephant print ones, I'm just not a fan of these. The Jordan 1 elephants. Yeah, I'm good on that. Alright, I checked out these aisles, man. I just checked them out a week ago, so we're not gonna do all that. Alright, let's go somewhere else. We're gonna find another spot to hit up.